In this video, we'll show you how to install a Halcyan water conditioner. Start by ensuring the correct tools and unit are ready. To begin, take the two compression fittings, apply sufficient tape to the male connector, and fit it into the Halcyan unit. Next, shut off the stopcock and drain the system completely. Mark the areas where the pipe will be cut to fit the Halcyan unit. Cut the 22mm pipe where necessary. Slide the Halcyan unit onto the pipe. Apply the jointing compound to the fittings to ensure a tight, secure seal. Tighten the nuts by hand before securing them with a spanner to ensure the unit is firmly fixed in place. Don't forget to wipe down the unit to ensure it's clean. When you're happy with the connections, turn the water back on and check for any leaks. And that's it, your Halcyan unit is all set up. Just double check the fittings and make sure the unit's properly positioned before wrapping up.